Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Hope you had a good week and a great Thanksgiving, although it's past, but it's alright. If you're just seeing this, hello and welcome to my channel. So, I'm 50 years old. Well, 51. And never in my life have I ever heard someone say that their hands are cold in a positive way. Which brings me a nice segue into these heated gloves from Savor. So, I haven't even opened the box yet, so let's zoom down for an unboxing. I'm doing this at home because, well, reasons. Get a little wet my whistle with a monster. Freaking delicious. Wow, that was a tough. Okay. Thank you, gravity. God. I could edit that out, but I'm not going to because I tend to drop stuff a lot. Oh. Okay. So, we have the gloves with a really nice camo pattern. Look at that. Let's get them out of the bag. So, really nice camo pattern. I like that. It's a sharp looking glove. And on the bottom, they've got some kind of rubberized texture feel. Probably for good gripping. And let's get this little plastic thing off here. Careful not to cut the glove. Let's get a little connector holding them together. Okay, so let's set these aside and go through the rest of the box. Get rid of the plastic. Alright, so we got the charging cable that goes with it. So it's got one for each. So you just plug it in, plug in each of the gloves so you can charge them both at the same time. Oh. Got the little booklet here. Looks like a little, I think that's their, okay, it looks like their logo. You might be able to stick that onto something, so we'll set that aside. Looks like the bag to keep the gloves in, pretty nice. And then just cardboard and the booklet, which I'll set aside because I want to look through it. Alright, so, like I said, these are heated gloves, so the batteries, I believe, are right here. You just unzip this pouch. And they were thoughtful enough to cover the battery, or to wrap the battery in plastic, probably just in case the gloves got wet and or damaged in shipping, or someone threw it into a puddle or something, which I've seen happen. I used to be an Amazon delivery driver, and the vans used to pull into the warehouse, and sometimes people would set the package right down in the water. So inside the glove there's a cable, so you just plug your battery into it. Oh, covered. So yeah. Well, let's get you down so you can see. So plug in the battery and then just slip it back into the convenient pouch here. I say slip it in, but alright. I'll do the other one off camera. No, I got the large gloves because I have large hands. Let's see. This should be the power button. So you turn it on. So one of these should be like low. Hang on. Okay, maybe I gotta hold it longer. And I gotta hold on to them for a bit. So, maybe I gotta charge them up. I think red is the high, either red is high. Okay, why are you not staying on? I might have to charge these batteries. Which is fine, I mean, it's no big deal, but. Oh, interesting. So the finger, I was wondering what this little spot here was, but you can actually pull your finger out. So maybe if you're operating a camera, like a YouTube camera or a cell phone, you can use your finger, pull your finger out so you can access your phone. And I think there's a magnet in here at the end too. Oh, so it can hold back and be out of your way, so if it's windy. That's a nice little detail. I was wondering why it felt like they were sticking together, and I just realized they have a little magnet. No, I don't feel any heat from these, so I don't think it's on yet. So blue should be, and green. Now I might just turn off to save power. So I'll leave it on here for a minute and see if it gets warm, and I'll bring it back. Alright, I had to go get my glasses, and I was reading through the manual, but I'm feeling the heat coming through. It's definitely warming up. So it says after, well, I'll just tell you what it says. Gonna get my readers. So the heating in time, it's at high level, it will do 2.5 to 3 hours at 140 degrees or 60 Celsius, or 140 Fahrenheit, 60 Celsius, excuse me. Medium is 5 to 6 hours at 122 Celsius or 122 Fahrenheit and then 50 Celsius. And then there's a low level that goes 9 to 10 hours at 113 Fahrenheit and 40 Celsius, which, okay. And then the battery power, when you press the button, if it's all three, I don't know if you can see that, I'll have to get you in there. So if it's all three, all four, they broke it into quarters, so, you know, it's like, if it drops down, it's 3/4 and then half and then 1/4. And then blue is medium, green should be low, and then red is the hottest. So, and you can hook it up. You can hook these up through Bluetooth too. So you can bring out your smartphone and connect. They give you a little code right here. You just take a picture of it and you can download the app. And you can turn on your gloves via your phone, which I probably won't because, you know, I'm just old like that, but apparently they have gloves, socks, hats, clothing, pants, insoles, boots, and slippers. So they offer quite a bit. Of course, I'm going to put all their links down in the description below so you can go check them all out. Then the rest of the manual goes over how to set them up through the Bluetooth, but I'm probably just going to do it all manually because that's just how I roll. I don't need your whippersnappers and your fancy smartphones. So we can turn these off. Yep. So just hold the button again, turn it off, about 3 seconds. Now let's say having the battery here at the end, it doesn't feel like super clunky. And I don't know if I think I mentioned this, maybe I didn't, but they're actually they're not. I got the these are the extra 2X. I think these are the 2X. I saw the tag a second ago. So these are. It says XL/2XL, and they're pretty roomy on my hands. I mean, they're not like super like tight. So I still have good dexterity. I can still pick up my stuff. Can I flip my knife open? Yeah, I can. So pretty decent dexterity. You know, for the things that matter, knives and being able to see. You also pick up your drink. Delicious. Anyway, those are the Savor heated gloves. All the links will be down below, and yeah, I'd like to get out and I'd like to go do a hike and wear them, but my hips just been killing me. Even just standing in the kitchen cooking dinner is like I was bent over the sink in pain. It's not good. So I actually did sign up for health insurance, so I want to look into getting talk to a doctor and see about getting the proper care for my maybe I got some medications I can take. Anyway, those are the gloves. Pretty nice. Now I'm gonna be wearing these in the car. I sit in the car a bit after work on Monday, Tuesdays, which I'm gonna start wearing them tonight in the vehicle. And I'll let you know how they're working out. I'd really like to go hiking, but we'll see. Because as soon as my insurance kicks in and they start taking the money out of my checks, when I get my card, I can run down and find a doctor in my network and see about getting some hopefully medication or something. So knock on wood. Anyway, I do want to thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.